The Bahrain Grand Prix saw a rookie being praised as a future world champion, only to lose the lead. Confused? Intrigued? Good. Let's get started. Also, thanks for watching. We make Formula 1, planes, and hypercar videos on a regular basis, and occasionally Formula E, so subscribe for more. Lewis Hamilton won this Grand Prix with Bottas in second and the only Charles Leclerc in third. He was the guy in front. Vettel spun and ended up fifth after a battle with race winner Lewis Hamilton. Grosjean and Sainz DNF'd along with both Renaults. Unfortunately, the Renaults retired with less than 5 laps till the end. Now for the predictions. Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up your seatbelts, this is going to be disappointing. Unfortunately, the reason Leclerc didn't win the race was due to mechanical failure. One of the cylinders in his engine malfunctioned, losing horsepower. From there, Ferrari had to change settings to save the engine, but they also came at the cost of horsepower. Kinda like Ricciardo at Monaco last year. In the previous video, I said that Mercedes would dominate unless Ferrari improved by a ridiculous margin. And then they did. Thank God they did. In fact, the only reason they didn't win was because of the mechanical failure. Hopefully Red Bull can step up their game as well. Imagine a 6-way battle for the lead right up to the last lap at China. Anyway, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, leave a like, thanks, and see you next time.